Hello, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and I welcome you to this weekly update for the mid of March. And this is from the 10th of March to the 16th of March. We talk about the global astrology, then about Bitcoin with members. We dive also into Ethereum, altcoins, and the gold and silver index XAU. Just a opening speech, so to speak. Prepare for a roller coaster. We have the blood moon lunar eclipse on the 14th of March. This is UTC time zone, and let's see what we can expect. Can we really expect the crypto summer with good weather and stable temperatures? So let's see. Before we start, I would like to make an announcement, and this refers to the fact that some altcoins are considered in the crypto reserve in the US, and this is an important milestone for our industry. I would say it's really something that is moving towards a larger capital, and we need to take that into account. That being said, I would like to say that I would come up with some yearly reports that you can purchase, and they will be really discounted at launch. So I will have more details in the description below, and I would like to announce two of them for now. It's XRP Ripple that I would like to consider, and we have also Dogecoin as the leading meme coin on sale now, and we will see what perspectives we have. I want also to say that Solana is already available for you if you are interested, and of course Bitcoin and Ethereum, links in the description below. The next one that I would announce soon on my list is Ada Cardano, which had even over 60% surge in a day after the news, and I think these are important to consider for the upcoming months. Thank you. As always, a kind reminder for the global astrology and in general for BTC as well. I would like to remind you the fact that we do have the weekend astrology playing out most likely on Mondays. For example, last weekend we did have a lot of action on Sunday that was really following the astrology for the weekend, but this might not be the case. So in most of the cases, we do have some, let's say, spill of the astrology from the weekend. And for BTC, you might be aware it's not the best. I filmed this on the 6th of March, and we have 9th of March, the weekend, with a strong negative influence from Saturn, which is also long term, but it's really an enabler for price drops in general. So be cautious, and we expect some of this negative energy to play out also in the next week. But now let's go to the fresh, clean slate of this week. And on the 10th, like it's an invitation and a confirmation of this, to have the Sunday astrology playing out. We do not have at global astrology level a strong day level aspect. So it will be only the hourly aspects which will shape the price action, and I think most likely we will get some from the negativity on a Sunday. We will get it on Monday. Then we do have the first important aspect of the week, which is a positive one on the 11th of March. Who follows me on Twitter might have seen that, so on X, sorry. It is really a very good aspect, it's quite strong in terms of astrology, and it is Mercury conjunct Venus. This will really instill recovery, I would say, because I really expect some drops and then a growth afterwards. It is a conjunction that is special because we do have also the cancellation of debilitation for Mercury. Mercury together with Venus in Pisces in the sidereal zodiac, making a niche Banga yoga. And Venus is very bright in the sky. It's very, very powerful. It's also retrograde now, so even more powerful, which means that we can have a price uplift on a Tuesday. So of course it depends what kind of drops do we get in the beginning of the week. Then we do have Wednesday, unfortunately, with a negative aspect, which is a Sun-Saturn conjunction. So if Mercury and Venus gave us a lot of courage and enthusiasm towards trading, because Mercury is trading and Venus is cryptocurrency, as you know. Also, it's about news that might be positive, Mercury being news. We do have a slowdown through some regulatory measure or some news from people in authority. It is Saturn conjunct Sun. Sun is the government and Saturn is the law. It's a restrictive influence, basically, that would really be exact on Wednesday. This is March 12th. And the big day of the eclipse, I want to go a bit into it. And this is already Friday. It is a very interesting day because it is half negative and half positive. Now we will see how this will play out. It is a volatile day, and in the global astrology we do have a Sun sextile Uranus in the sky, which is a positive aspect, but it's like instilling volatility. It's this fire energy, how I call it, because it's not predictable. You don't know how far it will go, and especially when it will really happen. We do have, of course, an exact time for it, but usually it has some leeway before and after. It is the most unpredictable type of aspect, actually. But sextile is the finger of God, so it will be a good recovery afterwards, I would say, because it is important to take into account that we don't have only negative energy. Still, I would like to raise attention on the days especially on the 12th, and we have also 14th, which is negative, and it is really important to have your stop losses on those dates if you want to trade or really to see what happens afterwards. Basically, after the eclipse, things will get better, at least at day level. We have good influences. The weekend is not eventful, so the 15th and the 16th, therefore, I don't give details about them because this will be completely shaped by the BTC horoscope. So you are welcome to consider it if you are interested. So on Patreon, we do have it 1 month in advance. So this is what I wanted to share with you in terms of the lunar eclipse. In case you didn't see my previous video, I will link it here for your reference so that you can have a look in detail at the astrology and also what can we expect on the day. I want also to say that eclipses have a long influence in time. It will be at least 3 months for a lunar eclipse to unfold. So it's not only what happens on that day. With this, I want to thank you for your attention, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel, and until next time, be joyful. See you.